Today we have a Penlux unboxing. This is going to be Penlux Masterpiece Grande Snowflake, and it's a limited edition. It's only 388 pieces produced for worldwide distribution. It comes in a black cardboard sleeve, and it does have a cutout so you can see the Penlux name in gold, but that's actually on the inner box that you can see when you slide the sleeve off. And this box is kind of interesting. I like the inset royal blue portion there. It's a lift off top, and you can see that that's where the blue comes from. There's a foam insert on top, and then you have your pen. I really like the packaging that this pen comes in. It's got the plastic bag with the Penlux name on it, and I love that it's got the clear inside the bag. Of course, you've got your pen. Ooh, that was tough to open. But you've also got, so you've got your pen. You've also got this additional insert with information here. So it has some information about your pen, a little letter to the customer from Penlux, handy little diagrams on what to do and what not to do with your beautiful new piston filler. But I don't know, I think this is such an interesting, the transparent insert here in the clear plastic sleeve with your Penlux demonstrator. It's a cool combination. I just really appreciated it, actually. You have your black elastic that holds your pen in there securely, and it's got a soft, this royal blue again, and this is like a soft velvety. So if you remove that, when you remove the false bottom, you have access to more Penlux information. And this has information about the piston filling system with, again, handy diagrams. And then on the back is where you'll find information about the company and about maintenance. Underneath that is a certificate of authenticity. Oh, it's pretty classy. And on the back of it's on this like nice cream colored cardstock material. And on the back it has an image kind of embossed in a darker cream and gold, and the Penlux name at the bottom. That's nice. Okay, I'm gonna let you get a good look at this new pen while I tell you a little bit about the background. So in 2020, 9 different colors of Penlux's Masterpiece Grande collection fountain pens were introduced. They're known for being both beautiful and offering a great writing experience. The Snowflake, which we're unboxing today, is the most recent addition to this line, the Penlux Masterpiece Grande collection. And it's perfect right now because, depending on where you're at, I suppose, we're located in Arizona in the United States, so we've got a lot of areas around us that are experiencing some uncommonly cold weather and snow, and it's so I don't know, this seemed like a timely arrival in our little world, our little piece of the world. The snowflake is described as appearing to look like snowflakes falling in the sky, and that description does work for me now that I have the pen in hand and I can see it. Yeah, that works. It does. It looks like when you're looking at snow that's actually falling, and there's just different layers and degrees of white of snow. So that's very cool. You've got your overall classic pen silhouette with the rounded ends, and the tapered body that has the thickest point is going to be in the middle. The clip is a spring style clip. It's a bit of a decorative end here. It's kind of interesting. I really like it. It looks like I should be able to spin that, but it is a solid piece. It's not a moving piece, but very interesting, very cool look. On the cap, you have the little bit of silver from the clip edition, and you can actually, it's such a cool effect when you have this type of demonstrator where you can see all of the little pieces being put together, where you can see like the threading, and you can see the nib in there, and you can see all the different elements. Obviously the cap is threaded, and at the bottom of the cap you do have this trim, the ring of trim, and this particular ring has the Penlux name, and at the top and bottom it has that decorative edge. On the barrel you do have the engraved Penlux Grande Snowflake, and then the number, and then it's limited to 388, so it's the number out of 388. And then underneath that you have another ring here, and this ring is right at the point where your piston knob is going to start. So this back end of the barrel, this is your piston knob. Turning it counterclockwise is going to move the piston. You can see the piston moving down for when you're preparing to fill the pen with ink, and then turning the piston knob clockwise again will be pulling the ink into your pen. It's a threaded cap. You have a stainless steel nib, and it is a rounded nib. The barrel on this is an extra large barrel size. You've got a 5.875 inch long barrel, and it's 0.7 inches in diameter. So you've got some size here. The piston filling system is an aluminum alloy piston filling system. The nib is German stainless steel. It is available in 4 nib sizes: fine, medium, broad, and stub. This one you can see is a broad because it's marked there at the bottom underneath the logo, then Penlux, and then you've got the B, that's the broad designation. The section material does match the rest of the pen, so the barrel, you'll see the barrel just goes straight into there's some threading, and then it goes straight into the section. It's a really beautiful pen. We're excited to add it to inventory. And if you didn't already pre-order yours, they arrived just today, so make sure to check them out and see what there is available at penchalet.com.